I think my time at Millikin has gone way beyond any expectations I could have ever had. I've built lifelong friendships, lifelong connections. I have learned from people that have taught me the greatest lengths. I mean, the information that I now have and have retained from some of the amazing faculty here is something that I don't think I could ever lose. The experiences have just been overall amazing. My name is Carissa Guerrier. I am a senior exercise science major. I'm from Grayslake, Illinois, and I will be graduating this May. I have filled every ounce of time that I have. I'm a wellness peer advocate here on campus. I'm a member of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated. I work as a strength and conditioning intern here on campus. I'm also the vice president of Latin American Student Organization, and there's probably something else in the list that I'm missing right now. Oh, I'm the NPHC president. So something that I've found that I've really gotten to enjoy about Millikin and I love about the exercise science program in particular is through all of the performance learning initiatives here. In our last semester, we actually get to have a full-time internship. So we're out of the classroom and we're knee-deep in the career that we desire to be in. So I'm currently interning at Apex Rehab in Mount Zion, Illinois. And that has been a great experience for me so far. I've gotten to see various different types of patients that I've never seen before, different populations. It's been super interesting. I've got a lot more time there before the semester's over, but I know I have so much more to learn, and it's been a great experience, and I love that. That is something that Millikin builds into our curriculum. As I have applied for doctorate programs and I'm ready to pursue my doctorate in physical therapy, I genuinely feel that the coursework that I've done thus far leading up to that has prepared me thoroughly for next steps. I feel confident with my Millikin education that I am set up for success. I will be receiving my BS in exercise science from Millikin, and then I will be turning around about a week and a half later and starting my physical therapy degree at St. Louis University. So that's super exciting for me. I plan to just be the best physical therapist I can be. I really don't know which setting I desire to work in yet. I'm hoping that through my clinical rotations, I'll get an opportunity to see where I belong. But I just know right now my goal is to help people. I would say if you're not sure if Millikin is the place for you or not, or you're having a hard time deciding what to do, just go for it. Genuinely, just trust yourself and go for it. Millikin has been the best decision I have made. Choosing a college is very hard. I remember feeling riddled with anxiety about it. Rapping back and forth, what am I going to do? What is my decision going to be? Just trust your gut. Go with Millikin. This is an experience that you won't be able to trade.